If you guys remember my paddleboard spearfishing video, sesame seeds go with tuna. What? For more information, visit recipe.greennoodle.com. Alright guys, so this is the second half of the video, and we're going to make our tuna poke bowls, tuna poke bowls, tuna pokey, I don't know. But I wanted to share this with you guys. This is something I discovered last year. It's called a jackfruit. Never heard of it before, but I used to grow up chewing juicy fruit bubble gum, and I always wondered, like, where do they get this, like, juicy fruit flavor from? I thought it was a completely fake flavor, like, invented by mankind. No, it's an actual fruit, and this is what it looks like.
And it's really good.
It's so good. So, like, the jackfruits are huge, like this.
Oh my gosh. And they're super sticky.
Yeah, they're a little sticky. But it's like, it literally tastes like juicy fruit bubble gum. It's amazing. So good. So just like, because I feel like not a lot of people know this. Maybe they do, and I'm just a late bloomer.
No, I didn't know anything about it. Literally, I was like, what is that big fruit thing sitting over there? And you're like,
jackfruit.
It's a jackfruit. And I'm like, what?
Mm-hmm.
You know, like juicy fruit bubble gum? I'm like, what? That's so cool.
I know.
So cool. Like, and it tastes so good.
Mm-hmm.
I want like a little piece. Do you want some, Juna?
It's also highly addictive.
It is highly addictive.
Mm-hmm.
So good. So yeah, so that was like a little cool thing I just wanted to pop in there because like super fascinating, right?
Okay, so that jackfruit was really cool, and we were talking about maybe putting that in the poke, but we bought this mango salsa, which jackfruit does taste a little similar to mango, but it's just
like
different.
Like when you chew it, it has like the same consistency as a mango.
Well, kind of like the bubble gum. I mean, for real.
Yeah, like literally, the flavor is literally juicy fruit.
It's wild. If you've never tried it, you gotta try it. But
So
I think we're gonna stick to mango in the poke bowl.
And we don't gotta chop up the mango because we already done this.
All right, so we're gonna chop up some of the. What do you want to do first?
Let's start with the fish.
Okay, so we've got some tuna right here. She's got some tuna. I've got some tuna. This is some yellowfin tuna from Venice, Louisiana.
This is what
my
it looks like.
hometown. All right, so let's chop this up, and we're gonna do this into like kind of thin, not thin, but like cubed kind of type cuts of tuna. Usually is what a poke bowl is made up of, right? Like little cubes.
Yeah, little fish cubes.
Fish cubes.
Chop it up into little chunks, cube chunks.
Cube chunks.
Oh, you know what I should do first?
Cut it like this. See, so like kind of along that. Hey. Meanwhile, Kimber down here is just waiting
for us to drop
patiently.
something.
Both of them are, because they both eat fish all the time. It's what they pretty much live off of.
It's probably past dinner time for them. Look at them. Oh, Jazzy. You did it.
Past my dinner time too.
I know. It's past.
We're almost ready.
Almost.
Don't worry, we're getting there.
It's crazy how it like falls apart. It's so tender.
Oh, I love yellowfin tuna.
You know what? It's crazy how people in Venice like treat blackfin tuna like we do bonita. Like here in Florida, like we catch a blackfin tuna, like
It's a
we're
big
like,
day.
yeah, like awesome fish. I just found out people in Venice, Louisiana, they catch blackfin tuna like we catch bonita here in Florida.
And we feed our blackfin tuna to our yellowfin tuna. That's just what they want. So when you catch a blackfin, we like usually cut it up and then we chunk the blackfin tuna to the yellowfin tuna, and they love it. So
that's crazy. It's a good fish, but man, but you guys have like that prime, pristine yellowfin tuna, so that blackfin's kind of just like you catch so many of them, just chunk them for bait.
all the time. Yeah, and our blackfin tuna, I guess like here compared to there, like they get here, I guess they're kind of like footballs, and over there they're like 30 pounders. I mean, they get pretty big.
Spearfishing the oil rigs.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to go back.
I want to spearfish a wahoo, yellowfin tuna.
And they're gonna come hang out with me at the bed and breakfast.
Absolutely.
Hell yeah. It's gonna be so much fun. I'll steal some of your chunks.
Go for it.
All right, we got a cucumber here. Split it with you.
Okay.
It's a lot of cucumber actually, but you know what? We'll eat it.
Oh, you're doing it like
I'm
that?
gonna do it in like.
You're doing it like that?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of winging it, just kind of chopping up. I just want to make it like small pieces, you know. We'll try to do small anyway. Jesus. Oh! Jazzy, you did it! You did it!
Kimber.
Jazzy just spit it out.
Kimber. Oof.
Here, this is what I have to trick Jazzy. She won't eat it.
She's like,
Maybe she will. Wait. No.
Kimber's like, I'll take it. I love cucumber.
I know. Don't you grow cucumber?
Yes. Oh my gosh, so when they came to Venice, I actually had these giant cucumbers that we've been growing. We've been growing all kinds of stuff. We have like watermelon, cucumber, tomatoes, cantaloupe, green beans, like all kinds of good stuff. And I brought it over and made a used rice vinegar with cucumber and tomatoes. So like a cucumber and tomato salad with rice vinegar and salt and pepper.
So good. And it's so like healthy and easy. Like I love healthy and easy meals.
That like this. This is healthy and easy to make. A little preparation, I guess, but
It's like the carpaccio.
and you're living off the land. I mean,
Yeah.
we caught and speared this fish. Like it's, well, I guess I should say you did, but
Yeah.
a lot of times I'm catching and spearing stuff as well, and you know, just living off the land, growing your own stuff, and then cutting it up and using it for meals and prepping. I love it.
Just honestly, if you eat good, you feel good. You know, it's great. No, you cannot have avocado. Avocado not good for dogs. Nope.
Really?
Yeah, no, avocado's not good for
I
dogs.
think I've heard that. Why is that, I wonder?
I don't know. I don't know. If you let me know in the comments below why avocado is bad for dogs, I will pin your comment. First one I see.
Me as well.
Oh god. Avocado, cucumber, tuna, and then all we have left is the scallions, and our mango's already cut up for us. And the mango actually has a little bit of red onion and salsa too. So, score. Oh, and check this out. If you guys remember my paddleboard spearfishing video, Judah brought up this carcass of a horseshoe crab. This is a massive horseshoe crab. Like you don't really see them get this big. Like
That is huge.
it's pretty rare, honestly. I'm gonna use that word rare. You know, you see little ones in the sand and stuff, but to see a big one like this, I've never seen a big one like this. The only time I've seen a big one is in like a museum, honestly. So super cool find. And Judah went ahead and put like a little acrylic coating on it to make it nice and shiny and kind of preserve it a little bit. But
That's cool.
yeah, it's like a new little decor.
Yay.
I love it.
I'm slow over here with my cucumbers.
Super cool. I'm gonna wash my hands.
All right, so I got mine all done. Cucumber, tomatoes. She's got some avocado.
Oh yeah, you have an avocado.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you scoop it?
I peeled it and then
and then you just chopped it.
and then I just chopped it. Yeah. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, we're starving. But we're waiting to do this video for you guys.
And we got this cool sesame sea vegetables. Sea vegetable? Why don't they just say seaweed? Sea vegetable seasoning from Whole Foods. Seaweed, black and white sesame seeds. We were looking for like a seaweed, like the seaweed like noodles that you get at sushi restaurants, but we couldn't find any. We got this. I don't know.
The noodles, like the seaweed salad. You guys are so
It is noodle.
bomb.
Oh wait.
Seaweed salad.
Oh.
We wanted to do that, but
It's like a noodle though, right?
I guess
Oh no, it's like stringy seaweed.
it is like seaweed, but
You're right,
we
you're
could
right.
not find it. I don't know what the heck, but it's
I
okay.
know. I'm so sad. I found this. I've never seen this before.
We're gonna try it. I think it'll be good. It looks good.
I don't even know. It's made with
Boom.
Morohaia. Oh, it's a super vegetable that is more nutritious than spinach, carrots, or broccoli. In most aspects, it was prized by the Egyptians for its health and beauty benefits.
Okay.
Since ancient times. For more information, visit recipe greennoodle.com.
Kelp noodles? This is really cool. When I was in Canada in August, there was like these giant kelp plants like floating.
In Canada?
And yeah, in
What were you doing in
Canada.
Canada, first of all?
Fishing.
Oh, really?
King,
For
yeah.
what?
King salmon, halibut,
Oh.
rockfish, ling cod.
Ling cod?
I have all this fish actually in my freezer. If, like next time I see you, I need to like get it and bring it.
Wait, I don't know.
I got stuff in my
I don't
hair.
know what you got going on, but there's some green stuff in your hair.
Probably avocado or whatever. But this is really cool that there's kelp noodles, because we actually pulled the kelp right out of the ocean, and like my buddy was like, I'm gonna eat it, and I'm like, no, you're not.
Like straight?
Straight ate it out of the ocean, and I tried it too. It was really good. That's in one of my other videos.
Is it
if you
really
guys want to check
slimy?
it out. Yeah, it was really interesting.
That's
it was
cool.
like a giant plant. I have some videos on it.
Interesting. I'll have to go back and watch those videos.
Yeah.
That's cool. These just taste like nothing.
Yeah, it didn't really have much of
Flavor.
a taste. Like it was just, I thought it would for sure. I thought it was gonna be kind of gross, and when I actually tried it, it was really good. But it was just like
was it?
different.
It's cold water. I'm assuming.
Very cold water.
Cold.
Yeah. It was cold outside. I had layers of jackets and all that
Oh,
good stuff,
yeah.
and it was kind of the end of the summer too. So, but it was still kind of chilly.
Cool.
All right, guys, so we just cooked up these green noodles that Kelly found at Whole Foods, and they
Never
look
had them before.
and smell actually pretty good. They smell like, they remind me of ramen noodles.
It
Healthy
literally,
ramen
yeah, it
noodles.
looks like ramen.
Are they good?
I really like them.
They are
Really
good. Okay.
I mean, definitely tastes healthy, but it's like a good, not
It's
a
a
lot
good
of flavor.
healthy.
It's like a nice light green vegetable flavor.
Yeah, it's not like a, you know how like some healthy foods don't actually taste good?
Really good.
Those actually kind of taste good.
Good.
All right, cool.
Green noodle.
So now we are going to, put the rice in the bowls?
Yeah, so we have everything cut up. Oh, we get to open this.
Mango salsa.
This looks so cool. Can we get a little pan over this? Can you see it? So beautiful.
Yum.
All right, so let's make our bowl. So exciting. All right. So I went ahead and made some white rice earlier.
We have a couple more bowls, I guess.
Oh yeah, right in that cabinet.
A little bit of rice. Wow, that's a lot, huh?
These are hot. I'm gonna do half of green noodles and then half kelp noodles. Oh my gosh, it literally is healthy ramen.
I love it.
It's great.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited. There's that. Do you want that? Bust open these kelp noodles here, which you can eat right out of the bag. Right? I think so. Right?
I think I'm,
Yeah.
yeah, I guess I'll try them.
They're so weird. It's kind of looks like feels like plastic.
Oh my god, that tastes so weird. Oh!
It looks like the Easter grass in an Easter basket.
It does kind of. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay.
I know, it comes out so like. There we go. That looks cool.
And then what? You just put that in there with that?
I'm just gonna put it right in there.
And
And then decorate.
a little bit of cucumber.
This mango.
A little bit of avocado.
How did you say avocado?
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 Avocado? I think I've been hanging out in Louisiana too long.
Oh my goodness.
Now I'm starting to get that country twang in it.
Avocado. And then I'm gonna get a spoon over.
A little bit of mango.
At one point in my life, I despised avocado,
Oh, I love avocado.
and I just did not know what I was missing.
She's making hers all pretty, and I'm just like going for it, guys. This
What?
is. Hey.
No.
Yeah.
There's that. What am I doing, girl? Tuna. Green onion, man. Green onion is my favorite. Oh, so good. I add it to everything. Even my ice cream. No, I'm just kidding. And actually, I'm not gonna add this yet. But it'll be there.
Try it. It's really good.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Wait, is this a little spoon?
This is so cool. It's like healthy ramen. Ooh.
I know, it is actually really good. And if you had like a little sea salt on it, it'd probably be really good.
I could literally just eat that and tuna.
I'm happy I kind of discovered this. And apparently it's like loaded with fiber, vitamin A, and a bunch of good stuff. Like I said, beauty benefits.
Little soy sauce.
So, oh my god, I love it. I'm so excited.
I don't want to put the peppers on mine. I'm good.
The what?
What
The
is it?
sesame seeds?
Yeah, I'm good.
I feel like sesame seeds go with tuna. She's like, nah. I'm so excited.
What, we need a fork? Nah.
Tuna, man. Fresh tuna. So good.
This is turning into a mukbang video.
Okay.
It could be though, but.
Are we good?
Alright guys, so there we have it. Our tuna poke bowls.
Wow, you said that
Beautiful
so
bowls.
good.
I know, right? Every version in there. Super healthy, wonderful. Oh, I love it. Fresh tuna, straight from Venice, Louisiana. 60 miles offshore, caught this thing.
Oil rigs.
Off the oil rigs, yeah, super cool. And actually my yellowfin tuna videos, a few videos back, if you guys want to check that out. The fish I caught is in this bowl. Talk about ocean to table, pretty cool. But yeah, super cool. I love doing this video. I don't really do many like catch and cook videos, but I think I'm gonna start doing more just because I love cooking. I just, you know, sometimes I just don't want to film when I'm cooking, but you know, this is super fun.
Yeah.
And I really like to do it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do more catch and cook videos. I have a lot of things planned. If you guys like this channel, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below, and stay tuned for many more adventures. Thanks guys.
See ya.